Today I will teach you chapter 10 and name of the chapter 10 is the keeping clean and healthy. I will take revision from chapter 10 keeping clean and healthy. Keeping clean and healthy. Keeping clean and healthy. You know that health is the wealth. If health is not good, then we can't do anything. And you must keep good health. And to be healthy, you must be clean. To be healthy, you must be clean. And you must take proper exercise and rest. You should take proper exercise and rest. And fun is also necessary for the health. Not only sleeping and not only proper exercise, fun is also necessary for the health. It is also part of our health. Keep your body clean. How you will keep your body clean? So first, what we should do to keep our body clean? Have a bath every day. You should take bath every day. If you will take bath every day, then it is good. And brush your teeth every morning and every night before going to bed. This is also a part of our cleaning. Trim your nails regularly. Cut your nails regularly and keep your hair neat and well combed. And keep your clothes clean. Polish your shoe daily. Learn to use your hanky. How you will? This is the basic manners. How you will use your hanky. And use a hanky to clean your nose. Wash your hands before and after each meal. Wash your hands before and after also each meal. Wash your hands every time you use the toilet. When you use the toilet, after you can wash your hands so you can remove the germs. Keep your surroundings clean. Keep your surroundings clean. So keep your house clean. Never urinate in streets. Never spit on the floor. These are the basic things you should know. And keep your classroom also clean. It's your duty. And never break or misuse things. Do not write on the walls. If you write on the walls, then it does not look nice. And always throw rubbish in the dustbin. Always you should throw rubbish in the dustbin. So these are the basic good manners and you should follow. Then play and take exercise. You must play after work and take some exercise regularly. And exercise keeps you strong and fit. Playing outdoor is a good exercise. Playing outdoor is a good exercise. Some outdoor games are there and some indoor games are there. So playing outdoor games is good for the health. Just like running, jumping, jogging, dancing, swimming are also good exercise. Running, jumping, jogging, dancing, swimming are also good exercises. Take proper rest and sleep. You must have rest after work and rest refreshes your body and mind. And proper sleep gives you good rest. Go to bed early in the night and get up early in the morning. And have fun. Fun refreshes you and it makes you active. And fun makes you feel happy. Chat and laugh with your friends. Watching TV, playing indoor games, drawing, painting, listening to the music and dancing are some good means of fun. So already I taught this chapter and I am taking revision. So in this chapter we discussed about the keeping clean and healthy. So what I discussed in this chapter, keep yourself clean. and you know that cleanliness is good for the health. And keep your teeth, skin, hair and nails clean. Wash your hands before and after eating. Keep your surroundings clean. Exercise keeps you strong and fit. And rest refreshes your body and mind. Fun makes you active. I think all of you complete this chapter, and you should know that never use others' toothbrush, towel and comb. Never bite your nails. Never wipe your nose with sleeves. Never rub your dirty hands on clothes. Do not do exercise just after eating. It is not good for the health. So what is the clean? Clean means free from dirt and germs. Surroundings, area around you, where you are living, that area around you is called your surroundings. Fit, healthy and active. Rubbish, rubbish means waste material. Rubbish means waste material. So this is the chapter 10, and I am taking revision, and you have to complete this. So I am taking revision, and you have to read this chapter and you have to learn exercises. I think all of you understood.